William, what are you doing? What are you doing to the walls? There's dirt on the walls?
Yeah.
And what are you doing? What are you doing to the walls? Yeah, did you already do that to the chair? Okay.
Door.
Oh, you did it to the door too? Get rid of the dirt? Thank you.
More dirt. More dirt.
Where's all the dirt? Did you just throw that on the floor? Can you pick it up, please? William? Can you please pick up the cloth? Pick up the cloth, please? And put it in the garbage? Yes. Can you pick it up? And put it in the garbage?
Yes.
We're going in the cart. We're going to go in the shopping cart in a few minutes. But can you pick up the dirt on the floor first?
No.
You want to clean the floors too? Edgar doesn't clean the walls. Who cleans? No, they fixed our bathroom. They didn't clean. Edgar and George, they don't clean, they fix. Who cleans our apartment? Yeah, oh, they put holes in the wall, yeah. In the walls, yeah. Yeah, in the bathroom. But they fixed it. Yeah. William, who cleans our apartment? Who cleans our apartment? I know he put a hole in our bathroom, but he fixed it. There's no hole. No, there's no hole. It's all fixed. See? All gone. Hole is gone. You want me to sit? You want to see the video?
Yeah.
Okay, say bye-bye.